Hey, I'm Adam. How can I help you today?
Hey Adam, I'm on Jira Product Discovery and I need help adding a new field. I can share my screen. Can you help me with that?
Sure, I can help with that. Can you share your screen so I can take a look? Okay, I see that you're sharing your screen now and you're on the Jira Product Discovery page. Could you tell me where you're trying to add the new field?
I want a field on this project and I want to be able to track customer names against all the issues.
I see you want to add a field to track customer names. I noticed on the left sidebar, there's a fields option under details. Could you click on that?
Is this the right place?
Yes, this is the right place. Now, in the top right corner, do you see a button that says plus create field?
I do.
Great. Go ahead and click on plus create field.
Okay. Now what?
Now, under name, give the field a name, like customer name. Then click on select a type.
hmm What type do you recommend?
Since you're tracking customer names, I would recommend either short text or long text, depending on the length of the names you expect. If you expect longer names or additional details, go with long text. Otherwise, short text should be sufficient.
But I wouldn't be able to filter by customer names if I go with that, right?
You're right. If you want to be able to filter by customer names, a short text or long text field might not be the best choice. In that case, I recommend using the select list type. This will allow you to create a drop-down list of customer names that you can then use to filter. What do you think?
Yeah, I think sounds good. I got it. Thanks for your help, Adam.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
I'm good.
Great. Have a good day.
Bye.